Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle. Get yourself some nice lifestyle merch. But today we're just going to be driving, going for a nice little drive, putting you guys up on the windshield like I used to do, and just talk. Because I have a lot of ideas and a lot of things that I want to go over with you guys and see what you guys think with an SRT, with future builds of things that I might want to do. Also, should I get a bowl cut? Because my hair is just on a different level right now and I need to get a haircut really badly. So if you guys want to see the bowl cut, maybe we can make that happen. 5K subscriber special is coming, so let's go ahead and just jump right in. All right, so we actually are just hitting 31,900 miles here on the Jeep. So I haven't driven in a few days actually. The car's just kind of been sitting. I haven't been doing much. I'll move that so it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. Yeah, so I haven't really been doing too much. So I haven't been driving the car, so it's gonna be nice to get some drive time here to get the car running and get it feeling okay again. My hood is just not staying on. So yeah, I have a lot of things that I want to talk about with you guys, of things that I have planned or things that I want to do. I'm actually on my way to go pick up some Chipotle, so I figured this would be a good time to just set up the camera and talk, because I haven't done a video like this in a while, and I think it's something that I enjoy doing, is just go for a drive and talk to you guys and see what you guys think about some updates and some things that I want to do. Now, the first thing that I want to mention is the SRT, because I've been saying I'm going to do it, and I probably am going to do it sometime this year. I'm not sure exactly when yet, because I'm kind of like on the fence about what year I want to buy, if I want to buy an older one or a newer one, and how much I want to spend, and just like different things like that. Then obviously I have to shop around and find one. So that's kind of where I'm at with the SRT at the moment. But I just want to talk about like the Dream SRT build, because I've thought about it a lot, and there's so much more that I can do with an SRT compared to like this one. This was a great starting platform, like I've said before, to kind of give me a base of like if I like these cars or not, which, as you guys know, I do enjoy this car. And you guys are gonna get mad that I said car, but that's fine, because it is technically a car by definition. So yeah, with the SRT, I think so I'm just gonna go over basically my Dream SRT build in a way. And that's gonna be probably a 2018, I'm thinking, so that it's very similar to the one that I have now, but it's the 2018 model. I'm thinking the 2018, I think I want it black, but there's a certain wheel, so I'll have to pop a picture up on the screen now, which shows the upgraded wheel package that I want on the Jeep. But basically I want it all black, and then I want the upgraded wheels with the better brakes and everything that you can upgrade. So it's kind of hard to find the spec that I want, which is kind of going to make it a little bit more difficult as well to try and find one that I want to buy. But I want one that has the red seat belts, or, which I don't think it's an option on the 2018s anymore, because when I look online with like the 2020s and 2021s, I can't find that you can get the red interior, like the red seats, but I've seen them on like cars.com and stuff, but I believe that they were on 2016s or something, or older ones. So I'm not sure. Let me know down below if you guys know if you can still get the red interior on the 2018 and up, because I would love to have like the red seats and like red interior, instead of just the black with the red seat belts. But red seat belts is the one thing that I do want. But I think I'm gonna go all black and just black the whole thing out with red accents. I think that's where I want to be with it. As far as like cosmetically, like spec wise, I want it to be pretty much just all black with the upgraded brakes, the red seat belts for the red accents, and I think that's pretty much it, because yeah, like a 2018. So I'm looking around for one of those to see if there's any in the price range that I want to pay, and just kind of, in the mileage that I want, because I don't want something with high miles, especially on an SRT, because like if you get an SRT, you're driving it, you're not just driving it around like to bring the kids to school usually. You're at least doing a little bit of fun with it, you're getting on it a little bit here and there. So that's definitely something that I'm looking into. Now, when it comes to upgrading after the fact of actually owning the SRT, there's a lot of things. Obviously, I want to black out a lot of the stuff that I've already blacked out, like doing the windshield tint, the side window tint. Those are things, obviously, that right off the bat I do. Black the whole thing out. And anything that's not already blacked out on it is something else that I would want to black out, of course. So yeah, black everything out at that point. And then when it comes to like performance mods, that's where it's really worth it to do performance mods. So like, it might sound crazy now, but like I really have the plan of getting an SRT and like supercharging or pro charging it, so that I can get it from like I think they come like 500 horsepower, and I think after they can go between like 700 and 900 depending on what you like supercharge it with, if you're tuning it a specific way. There's just a lot of different things that come into play that can really increase your horsepower there. So then it's like cold air intake, headers, straight pipe all the way out the back. I want to do so many different things with it. There's so many different options to do. There's just so many different options for me to do. Like over here, you can get on this like A-pillar, you can get a cluster for like gauges, which is nice. So I'll probably want to end up doing that in the future. And I'll definitely get the interior stuff wrapped like I did my own here, but I would actually get it wrapped because, you know, I don't want to do that again. That was a pain, and it came out a little bit iffy. So that's definitely something, is getting the interior wrapped. And then if I'm going all the way with this build, I'm going to do carbon fiber hood. I know that they have some really good ones out there for decent prices, so I'll do the carbon hood and then lower it a little bit more, I think, with the iBox springs. I've seen those on the SRTs, and it really squats it a little bit more and gets it a little bit lower to the ground and makes it look a lot better. And then in that same thing, I think 22-inch wheels would be something that would be awesome on the SRT to really fill out the wheel well, since I'm probably not going to do it on this car because, I mean, I'm probably going to upgrade anyway. So I guess I could do it, but I don't want to do it if I'm not going to lower it. And right now I'm not going to lower this one at all, so I don't want to go ahead and get the 22s if I'm not lowering it, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I know I'm definitely forgetting things in this of things that I want to do. I have a whole list at home of things that I want to do, but basically I want to go full like build all the way on it pretty much, and just have a really, really nice built up SRT that's pretty powerful and I can have a lot of fun driving. Now the next thing is other builds for the channel, because I don't know what you guys would want to see. I have one idea that I really want to do that I've been mentioning since I probably had 100 subs, and I really want to buy like an older Mark IV Jetta and like a cheap one, and just eBay build the whole thing. Like I want the 1.8 turbo, of course, so that I can like work on it and actually do some stuff to it. But I just really want to build that into something that could be a lot of fun and be really funny for the channel to do, like different stupid eBay mods. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. Another thing that I really want to do on the channel, which is like kind of weird because I had a truck before, but I really want to get another truck for the channel. Not just for the channel, just for me to have and enjoy. I'm a big truck guy, a big Silverado fan. So I really want to get an older Silverado this time, not a new one. I mean, maybe a new one, but I really want to get an older truck and just like jack it up like 6-inch lift 35s and just like have a really big beefy truck, and then I can start to incorporate some more off-roading here on the channel and start to do some more stuff that's a little bit more in that off-road space without doing it with the Jeep, because that's just gonna be my daily driver. And then I'll just have my my truck that I can do truck stuff with. So that's definitely something that I plan on doing in the future. So let me know if you guys would like that down below, because that's definitely something I've been looking into and thinking about doing. But I definitely want to start to incorporate more cars on the channel, cars, trucks, you know, different things. That could be a lot of fun for everyone here in the channel. I hate that I'm driving to Chipotle right now because I have to go on this super busy road, and there's some of the biggest idiots. Like I like to drive on back roads where there's nobody because people are super annoying. But a good thing I'm almost here. So basically, yeah, those are some of the things that I have, some ideas and some things that hopefully will be coming soon on the channel. So let me know what you guys think about those, and if you'd be interested in any of those ideas, or maybe not. All right, I'm gonna go pick up my free Chipotle, and then I will be right back to finish up talking about the few other things that I need to talk about and need to ask you guys about for the channel. All right, so I actually just got home with my Chipotle here. I wish this was sponsored by them, so if someone from Chipotle is watching and they want to sponsor this, you know, maybe, I don't know. But I don't really think there's too much more for me to talk about in this video. The SRT was the main thing that I wanted to talk about, and also there's a few other ideas of things that I want to do. So yeah, let me just go ahead and run to the outside and do an outro, and then we will call this video done. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. My hair is just a mess. Anyway, let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think about that, any ideas that you guys have that you guys want to see on this Jeep or future Jeep, and things that you think I should do that I haven't done at this point. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below right now. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. So yeah, make sure you do that. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.